Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post and engage with content on Blue Sky. So number one is that you can just create an engaging profile right over here which is left, and what gonna do, you will just start by customizing your profile to reflect your brand or personal identity. Include a clear profile picture, a complaining bio, and links to your website if have, or other social media platforms to establish credibility. So number second is that you will just move in the main home, and what gonna do, you will just focus on quality and content. So share your post that invite a conversation. This can include insight on industry trends or questioning, and like dialogue among your audience, so your audience can reply to your question. And you can just utilize multimedia from here. If you just create a new post which is left, you can just create image, video, and to make your post visually appealing. This approach enhances storytelling and helps convey complex information more effectively. So you can just also add some experiment with content formats. Regularly introduce fresh content ideas such as polls, questions, and interactive posts like fill in the blanks or this or that to spark engagement. So you can just easily engage the content on Blue Sky with your post. So that's it. You can just easily engaging from here. You can just, by focusing on these strategies which I tell you, you can build a vibrant presence on Blue Sky that not only attracts followers but also foster meaningful interactions within the community. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.